We finished this one in Fulford. I'm going to let you have a look around it. What we got commissioned to do was basically 2 offices in one, a his and hers office. Both clients work from home at the moment, and they are going to work from home from now on, as are many of you that'll be watching this. With COVID, now what's happened is all these big offices have sent people home to work from home, and they've actually found that working from home is more viable and more cost effective. You've got the internet, you've got everything. So what we've been commissioned to do is build a his and hers office, but also it's going to be a garden room as well. So we've got a canopy on it as well, because the customer is in the future going to get a hot tub under the canopy and get the area decked. So John did a lot of the work on this. That's why John's here. He's going to explain some of the ins and outs of the build to you as well. And we're going to have a walk around now. So let's go and we'll go on there.
Right, so I'm going to show you the canopy area now. The size of this canopy area is 2.5 metres big. We've also put cedar lats up on the back. We've put in 3 posts to support the back of the hot tub area, and if Jenny shows you the front here, we also put this big post in to support this front corner so that we don't need any posts in here, so it can be open. He is going to put an hot tub in here at some point, but at the moment in time, this moment in time, he hasn't. We've also got 4 spotlights in the ceiling, and on this one we fully seeded it as well, so it looks absolutely fantastic and blends in with the building. We've also put this nice fancy double socket in, and the security light also. Right, we'll just take a walk around the front now, and I'll show you, as Liam's just said to you, this is evenly split down the middle, so the rooms are exactly the same size. So we've got a window in there and a window in there. We've got the downlighters in the ceiling as well, in the roof. We've finished it in black fascia, and we've also got a dividing wall here, which you'll see when we go inside. Right, so I'll just show you around the back now and show you the metal anthracite grey clad that we put on the back, which you will have seen plenty of times if Jenny can get in. It's maintenance free, you'll never have to touch this, it'll last a lifetime. Of course, we've got the gutter on here, and we've got the downpipe running down here as well. We've got the nice cedar corner on, and I'll just show you this nice door here. Well, it's actually a window door, because I'll just show you inside. It's full.
Do you want to do that bit again?
Yeah, let me do it again. Because this has got 2 rooms in it, we've got the double French doors on the other side, which you'll see shortly, and we've also got a door in here so that you can access the room without interrupting the other room.
Right, so let's have a little look inside now. Jen's going to follow us in. It's finished to a high standard. Of course, we always plaster all our insides. We've got our laminate floor fit as well. We've got our architraves and skirting boards. We've got the internet over there, which I will explain to you in a minute. Both the rooms rather are identical in size. They've both got a 2 kilowatt digital heater there as well, which is plenty enough to warm this room. All the windows are anthracite, they're aluminium as well, the highest quality windows. 5-point locking system on that. Same with the door as well, 5-point locking system, again in aluminium. So, as I said before, these customers are working from home, and they will be now for the future. The reason why they've got 2 different offices is because the female customer, her workload is case sensitive, and her partner is not privy to her workload basically, so that's why there's 2 separate rooms, 2 separate entrances, so that when she's working in there, he can work in here, but he can still leave the office without travelling through her office. So that's why we've been commissioned in this way to do this. The customer is going to fit a little unit there on the work surface, that's why the plugs are so high there as well. So as I said before, the internet is everything. If you have the internet, then you can work from home, and all these big companies have now found that is possible, and it's the way forward, and it's more cost effective. John's going to do a speed test now to show you what kind of internet we've managed to get as coming from the house, because we run Cat6 cables. We've got another modem in here, so you can go Wi-Fi or you can hardwire it as well. So there you go, there's 70 odd meg on that. It's as fast as the customers is inside the house. So like I say, internet, you can work from home, you have everything. Both these rooms are identical. If the customer is allowed to cross through, maybe she switched the computer off and he's allowed in then. So we have a door which leads into here as well. And this is her office. It's identical to that one, apart from the fact it has French doors leading to the front. That one has a single door. Again, it's got an opening window as well. Aluminium, anthracite, highest quality. It's also got a consumer unit up there, which will be tested and certified when this job is finished. and a 2 kilowatt heater as well, so both rooms have got their own heating supply, both rooms have got their own lighting and electric, so we've split the boards, so if this room goes down, this room is still live, much like your house where you've got an upstairs and downstairs. Like I say, aluminium, anthracite, French doors. I thought David locked them in. Which, I mean, come summertime there now, when they've decided that this is going to be more, maybe more sort of garden room than garden office, then the hot tub will be sat there. They can come in here and get changed or whatever. The customer is going to get some decking and finished off that area. But that's us as far as I'm concerned on this now. We've finished this job. If you've watched this job from the start, you will see John come and put the piles in. We used our pile system. There was a garage here originally, so we've dug down through the garage bays. We've put our pile system in there as well. John gets that pretty much perfect. That's why these rooms are 100% exactly the same size as each other. It's dead on square, it's perfect. It's gone over the old garage base. We've built the walls as well. You've seen us build the walls. We've put the roof on. We've got rubber on the roof. That's got a 50-year warranty on there as well. We've got no maintenance cladding to the rear. That's metal clad. All them hedges will grow back now. There's a gutter and downpipe as well. And the building is clad in Western grade cedar. It's the finest quality cedar you can get in this country. It's hand selected. Me and Jenny went up and picked it up. We've gone through every single board and made sure that it's up to the quality that we need to put in these garden rooms. So that's it basically. If you'd like to follow and subscribe, that would be fantastic. We've got 2 more builds that are going to happen before the end of this year. John's moved on to another one now. It's a 6 by 2.7, is it, John? It's going to be split into 3 different rooms, and me, Jenny and Davey are going to follow behind because we've had a massive wait for doors and windows. We're going to tidy up the rest of the jobs that are outstanding, and we've got 1 more to start as well. It's a little tiny one. It may be of interest to a lot of people because it's going to be fully soundproof as well, and the ground slopes off at least 500-600. So we're going to build a little dwarf wall on that, which will be different and something that some of you may want to watch. So if you'd like to subscribe and follow, that would be fantastic. John, out to add?
Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe.
There you go. We'll see you on the next one.